Product demos today often look like this. Long Zoom calls. One expert walking through every step, while half the team struggles to follow along. Some get distracted, others stay silent with unanswered questions. It's tiring, unproductive, and often leaves you with more confusion than clarity. But what if learning your ERP didn't feel like a chore? What if every team member could explore software demos at their own pace, on any device, anytime, and actually enjoy the process? That's why we built EOXSplore. More than just a video library, it's an interactive platform that makes learning our software features simple, engaging, and fun. Inside EOXSplore, every module in EOX is broken into short, focused videos. Sales, inventory, processing, accounting, CRM, and more. Each video shows real workflows, step by step. You choose what to watch, skip what's not relevant, and keep progressing at your pace. Your progress is saved, so you can pause anytime and resume exactly where you left off. And this isn't the boring, everyday click-and-watch experience. EOXSplore keeps you engaged with an interface designed to make learning enjoyable. Complete a video and you earn points. Finish a module and you level up. Keep your daily streak alive and you'll want to come back for more. Training is no longer just another task, it becomes an experience. Don't know where to begin? We've got you covered. The built-in AI assistant helps guide your learning journey. Ask, what videos should I watch to understand how to navigate through the sales module? And it creates a playlist for you instantly. Have a question about a feature? The AI will provide you with an answer. Still not satisfied? It will point you to the right video, and if you need more, it prompts you to send us your query directly, so you're never left with doubts. And the best part? EOXSplore goes wherever you do. On desktop, laptop, or mobile, your demos are always just a click away. EOXSplore transforms the way teams experience ERP demos. Self-paced, interactive, guided by AI, and built to keep you engaged. It's not just a portal, it's your pathway to mastering EOX software features. Start exploring now.